All right. We are on, no, yes, maybe. Page 25, Mystery Song 7. And it's just Madeline and me, but she's going to do great. Okay, Miss Madeline, can you tell me what key it's in? Remember, it tells you in your book somewhere.
D-do.
D-do, good. So up in the corner, it shows you what do looks like. It is a space note or a line note? Space note. So get your regular pencil. And our rhyme is, uh-oh, can't get my pencil open. Oh my. Sorry people, got to set this down. That was weird. Okay, so if dough is on a space, then me is on a space, then so is on a space, and we're all in place. Very good, you've got it. So if you're doing it this at home, make sure you do that too. Okay, this is not a song you know. It is a song that was on your red listening CD. So once we figure it out, you might kind of remember hearing it before, okay? It looks hard, but it's not very hard. And it sounds really cool. I like this one a lot. Okay, so first we need to find...
Hey, Mrs. Vogel?
Yes?
Is that why you chose this one, because you like it a lot?
Yeah. And it's not too hard. I think it's pretty easy. First pattern we're going to find is this one right here. You see it?
So,
Mi, re.
do.
Oops, do almost got erased. Yes. So, fa, mi, re, do. Space, line, space, line, space. Going down.
It's a pattern.
It is a pattern. All right, so get your brown pencil. If you're at home, you can use whatever color you want. And you're looking for so, fa, mi, re, do. And there are 4 of them.
That's a lot.
There is a lot. Okay, go Madeline, go. Yep, she's got the first one. Good job. She's got the second one. She's got the third one. And she's got the 4th one. Okay, at home, if you haven't found them yet, you need to pause this because I'm going to circle them now. So all you got to do, if you have trouble, you look for a so. So is on the second space. There's the first one. So, fa, mi, re, do. 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 Good job. Okay.
That's a lot.
That's a lot, isn't it? Okay, so now let's switch to your blue pencil. Let's see if I can get this one open. Now I use green just because blue's hard to erase. Oh, here we go. Okay, now, before we find the next couple of patterns, we need to talk about something. Do you see the left hand here? Here's your treble clef. That's your right hand. Here's your bass clef. This is your left hand. Do you have any chords in this song? You see any chords?
No.
No chords. That's kind of interesting. I don't know if we've ever had a song with no chords. So when you get a here, your right hand's playing and your left hand's playing, and it looks really hard, but they're playing the same notes. So if this one is a do, which it's not, that one would also be a do, which it's not. Okay? So when we look at these next 2 patterns, there's going to be 2 of them. One's going to be in the right hand and one's going to be in the left hand. So they're going to look a little different, right? So I'll show you what they look like and then you're going to find them both. Okay, so here we go.
How many are there? 2?
There's 2 more patterns and each pattern has 2. Here's the next one we're going to find. This one right here. Can you see that? That's hard to see. Bum, bum, bum. What's that say? So, mi, do. Good. Now, do you see in the right hand it says space, 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 second space, first space, space under the line. Do you see what it says in the left hand? Line, line, line. That's how it works. Isn't that interesting? Top line, 4th line, 3rd line. Ooh, but they both say so, mi, do. All right, you're looking for it with your blue pencil. There'll be 1 in the right hand and 1 in the left hand. Nope, that's not it. You remember why? Space, space, space. Gotta be all spaces in the right hand.
Right.
Space, space, space. So, me, do. It's easy to make mistake. It's okay. Space, space, space. Going down. There, you got it. So, me, do. Now you're looking for the left hand one, which is going to be line, line, line. Line, line, line. Going down. And you've got it. Good. Okay, if you're doing it at home, if you don't have it yet, you need to pause this. Okay, here it is. Right here at the end. So, me, do. So, me, do. Okay. You can put your blue pencil away and get out your red pencil. I'm going to set this down again. So I can take the lids off my markers. I use pink because red's too hard to erase. Okay. The next pattern we're looking for is so, do. In the right hand, it's going to be second space, space under the line. And in the left hand, it's going to be line, line, so, do, fifth line, third line. It's going to be one of each. One in the right hand and one in the left hand. Okay, you can hunt for it. So, do. Oh, you know what? Let me put that back up there so you can see it. So, do. So, do. Don't think so. That one's me, do. You see it? And you're skipping a space since it says so, do. There'll be a lot of space between the two notes. So, do. Good job. Yeah, you can just fix it. That's the handy thing about erasable colored pencils. So, do. This one's a little harder to find. So, do. So, in the right hand is in the second space. So, if you're having trouble, you could go like this, right? You could find your so. That's a so, but that doesn't say so, do. Nope. Take it across. There's another so. But that doesn't say so, do. Here's a so. So. Nope, that doesn't say so, do. Here's a so. So. Nope. So guess what? It's going to be on the bottom line somewhere. Take your pencil and find all the so's. And just see if the next note is do. So. Find me a so on the second line. Show me a so. So, still on the second line.
Here?
Yeah, that's all called the second line. You're right. So this is the first line, and this is the second line. But we're looking at the treble clef line right now. So find me a so in the treble clef in the second line. Here's what it, oops, where'd it go? There's what it looks like. Second space.
There's a so.
Yep, does that say so, do?
No.
Nope, find another so.
There's a so, but that doesn't.
Yep, that doesn't say it either. Find me another so. Second space. Where's another one?
I think I found one.
Ah, there you found it. Good job. Now you got to find the bass clef one. It's a top line to the third line. So, do, line, line, with a big jump in between. There it is. That took us a little while. That was a little tricky. If you don't have it at home, pause this. Here they are. So, do, so, do. Okay, now.
Those are so hard.
The last part was hard. Partly because it was at the very end of the song. You had to hunt a while, didn't you? Okay, so now you'll notice we have a lot that doesn't have any circles, right? So we'll have to think about that when we get there. Do you notice that this one, this one, this one, and this one, they're all the same, right? And this is a rest, so you don't play anything with your left hand. What about this one and this one? Are they same or different?
Same.
They're the same, yeah. So those two aren't the same, right? So same, same. These two are the same, same, same. These two are the same as those up there. So that's part of the reason it's not too hard, because you have a lot of patterns that repeat, right? Okay, so now we're going to sing it with the solfege. We'll know what it sounds like, and then I'll tell you what the name is. But before we start, because we have so many that aren't circled, let's remember which notes are spaces. Which ones are spaces? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Which ones are spaces?
Do, mi, so.
Yep, do, mi, so are spaces. So which ones are lines?
Fa and
Fa and re, yeah. So when we get over here, if it's a line note, it has to be a fa or a re, right? Okay. All right, so here we go. Let's sing it. Do you remember what our first note was?
so.
Yep. So,
Re. Fa.
there you go. Let's start over. So, fa, mi, re, do. So, fa, mi, re, do. It's a space.
Do.
This one's do, so this one has to be
Mi.
mi,
Fa.
fa, so. Line.
Fa.
Fa,
Mi.
mi, re, so. Mi, do. Now we're down the second line. So, fa, mi, re, do. So, fa, mi, re, do. This one's the same as that one. Do you remember what it was? Nope, this one's do, so this one is.
Re. Re.
Which notes are spaces?
Mi.
Mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, so, do. Good. Bum ba 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 bum ba 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 bum 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 ba ba bum bum ba 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 bum 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 bum. Remember ever hearing it before? It's okay if you don't. It was on your red listening CD. So when you get to this part, when you're ready to play it, remember they're playing the same notes. So they're both playing mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, so, mi, do. The tricky part is probably the rhythm. So these are like those orange cards. Do, do ta data, do ta data. And then this one would be do ta day, do day, do day, do day. Okay, so the rhythm's a little tricky. Okay, this is written by the famous composer Bach. He was from Germany, lived a very long time ago. And the name of the song is Musette, which is a dance that they used to dance back then. Musette by Bach. I don't know, you can't really draw a picture for it, so you'll just have to write the word Musette up there at the top. M-U-S-E-T-T-E, Musette, N-D, by Bach. And while you're doing that, how about if I go play it for you one time? Just walk this over here and play it while you're still, oh, are you done writing? Then you can come over and watch if you want. In fact, you can hold the camera for me. How about that?
Sure.
There, you got it. Can you see my hands? Tip it down. There you go. Okay, ready? And that's it. Okay? Now you won't go that fast when you first do it, right?